I think what makes us different, and we're probably part of a small pack of exploration companies that do this, is that we're focused on extremely advanced exploration plays, delineation drilling of what we believe will be the next mines. And then there's a lot of them that is just grassroots exploration. So that makes us different.
StockPulse on location to the 2023 Vancouver Resource Investment Conference. With me today, I've got Phil Cloutier. He is the CEO of Cartier Resources, ECR, the Toronto Venture Exchange in Canada. Phil, good to see you in person here. I know we do a lot of Zooming here, and here you are. And then we talked about some drill results.
Yep.
So why don't you, I guess, fill investors in on how you ended the year and talk about this year?
Absolutely. Listen, 2022, well, we all know what that was all about. We landed that deal with O3 Mining, consolidated ground around the Chimo mine property. We went from about 300 hectares to almost 30,000 hectares, so it's a 100-fold increase in land position. But that deal, Agnico Eagle topping up their position, and a new resource estimate kept us blacked out in terms of news flow for the greater part of 2022, and then the markets were what they were. So what do we have in store in 2023? Well, we launched a drill program end of 2022. We delivered the resource estimate, and we took the handbrake off the PEA. So what you saw last week was a second pass of drill results from that drill program, and they're starting to tumble in. So the next few months will be drill results from the ongoing drill program. They have 2 rigs. And you'll see the preliminary economic assessment report from the Chimo mine project, which is our flagship, be delivered by the end of the quarter.
It's a lot of juice right there.
Yeah.
We're talking off camera. Why this year? You know, a lot of excitement in this room. We need investors back here. Silver and gold are at fantastic spots to make money. So what's going to be different about this year for you guys?
Well, what's different about us is that we're really nearing the finish line in terms of establishing what's the economic Polaroid for this thing. And the recommendations chapter in the PEA will be all about what do we need to do to get it to the feasibility stage, which is a whole different ballgame, right? Sure. But it'll provide our investors with the view that this thing will eventually go back into production for the 4th time. Remember, Chimo mine is a past-producing gold mine. It was mined actually 3 times, once in the 60s, once in the 80s, and once in the late 90s, and it shut down, not for lack of ore, as we've demonstrated, but because the price of gold in 1997 was $400 Canadian, or $275 US, and now we're looking at, almost $2,000 US gold? So I think the economic landscape is different. The project has benefited from 25 years of mining and metallurgical innovations, and we've ramped it up to almost 2.3 million ounces, and the drill program on track right now is looking to bump it up to almost 3 million ounces.
Wow, a lot going on. So again, a lot of companies around here.
Yep.
What makes you different? What people are looking for investments? Obviously, it's good entry points here, but you got to have a winner. Makes you a winner.
I think what makes us different, and we're probably part of a small pack of exploration companies that do this, is that we're focused on extremely advanced exploration plays, delineation drilling of what we believe will be the next mines. And then there's a lot of them that is just grassroots exploration. So that makes us different. But again, there's a small pack of those, and we're all competing to be the next takeout or the next one into production.
Okay. Well, how's the news flow looking then coming in?
The news flow is, as I mentioned, drill results, PEA, and potential deals that will be attracted via those 2 land points.
A lot going on. Okay.
Yeah.
Phil Cloutier, he's the president and CEO of Cartier Resources, ECR on the Venture Exchange. Phil, appreciate the time. We'll look forward to tracking the news moving forward.
Thank you, sir.